Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This one is just a quick little video to announce a bit of a surprise that we've got going on at the moment. A little bit of a competition that we want all of our subscribers to see so they can jump in and have a look for themselves and have a chance at winning. As of right now, we're very close to 2,000 members in our Discord, and we are welcoming new members to join and offering everyone who's a member now the ability to claim a limited one-time only role called Founding Member. The post on our Discord here has most of the explanation, but in summary, we've grown quite a bit and a lot has happened in that time, so we really want to help reward everyone. I know it's something small, it's just a role, but it's a really important thing to us, and I hope it is to you guys as well who have been here with us from the beginning. On top of that, once the competition period is over, which is when we hit 2,000 members, we'll be putting everyone with the role in the lottery to win a $100 Amazon gift card. It's going to be completely random and one person will be the lucky winner of that. So we hope you enjoy those rewards, and we really wanted to say thank you very much for an amazing year to each and every one of you, and we hope you'll stick with us going into next year. We've got a lot of surprises up our sleeve. We've got a new website that's coming too as well, and that's going to have a lot of features on there that's really going to help the channel and really going to help our community grow. Thanks again for being a fan of IBRACORP, and we can't wait to see you in the next IBRACORP video.